Hey, my name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Realtor. Today, I want to take you through Ibejuleki Road Tour. I used to show you Ekpe Road construction update, but today I want to show you what Ibejuleki Road looks like. And as well, on this tour, I want to talk to you investors, developer, Nigeria in Nigeria, Nigeria in diaspora, why you should invest in Ibejuleki today. Alright, first thing you need to know, Ibejuleki is regarded as the next hot spot in Lagos, Nigeria. Especially in terms of development, it has fast become one of the most sought after locations for real estate developer, investor and other industry experts. The local government Ibejuleki was created from Ibeju and Lekki, which are two autonomous communities. In the business of real estate, location is everything. And when you ask me why you should buy from Ibejuleki today, an expert forecast that in the next 10-15 years, a plot of land in Ibejuleki will be selling for over 45 million naira. And if you ask me why and what give them the depth of this analysis, I will tell you now. So let's go straight to some of those reasons why you should buy or invest in Ibejuleki property today. 1. Prospect of industrialization, property appreciation, prime location, expansion of road network, massive return on investment. Well, if time permits me, I will try to walk through and talk to you and explain some of these factors one after the other. Prospect of industrialization. The projected development that are under construction in Ibejuleki are majorly top government and private projects, some of which include the Dangote refinery worth about $9 billion, the new international airport, Lekki Golf Course, Pan-African University, Lagos, Nigeria, the Power Oil, the Dano Milk, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, and over 100 estates within this vicinity. Property appreciation. It goes without saying that an increase in the development of a particular area causing an equal increase in the property appreciation. As mentioned earlier, the ongoing project in the area Ibejuleki has made it a prime location for real estate investors. This is because there is a guarantee of at least 300% return on investment. The location Ibejuleki, Lagos, Nigeria is a gold mine to those who key into it due to the high rate of construction activities in the area. The price and the demand for property increase. Talking about the prime location, Ibejuleki, Lagos, Nigeria is favorably situated in proximity to the city central. Investing in Ibejuleki, whether for personal or residential or for commercial purpose, keeps your property at the peak of the action. Ibeju-Lekki is located close to Eleko Beach, Nike Art Gallery Center, as well as Lekki Conservation. Before I continue, just in case you are new on my channel, please do well to subscribe, like and comment. Share this video with your people, with your friends, your loved one. A lot of them in diaspora actually did not know what Ibeju-Lekki hold currently. And when we talk about buying into property in Ibeju-Lekki, some of them tend to doubt what Ibeju-Lekki actually holds and why they should buy in Ibeju-Lekki. The number you are seeing on your screen is my WhatsApp number. Do well to chat me or comment down below. Your question will be attended to shortly. My name is Abraham Ishaba, and what I do on this channel is to give to you, is to bring to your dashboard an affordable land, houses in Lagos, Nigeria. So stay back, I'm going to talk to you about road expansion in Ibeju-Lekki now. Remember, there is an ongoing, if you subscribe to my video, you must have seen my road update I've been doing on Ibeju-Lekki Ekpe road construction. There is an ongoing plan by Lagos State government to make the Lekki Ekpe Expressway a 10-lane road to connect to other major roads in Ikorodu, Ekpe, Lagos, Nigeria, Itokin, as well as Ijebu-Ode. Lagos State want to make this road expansion because of the fast rising of estate in this location for easy accessibility, and that is why they are doing this road now. So if you have not seen any road updates on my channel before, I upload Ibeju-Lekki Ekpe road construction recently when I was taking a road tour to Ijebu-Ode, which is about 3-4 days ago. So you can check that in my video down. So smart investor, this is a great opportunity. There are several industry, there are several opportunities, there are several other things I needed to talk to you about Ibeju-Lekki, which will interest you to be part of the development in this axis. But time will not permit me to do that, and I don't want this video to bore you. So I have to let you be and stay back, watch this video to the very end, and then you will have reason to invest in Ibeju-Lekki. Please, if you are new on this channel, like I said, do well to subscribe. Share this video with your loved ones, your friend. You can see the road, the accessibility. The road network in Ibeju-Lekki is not what you used to know. It used to be bad, but now the government have seen to it because of the project ongoing in this environment. The Chinese guys are so smart enough to have acquired several portions of this estate, of this location. I mean to say, if you want to buy into property facing lagoon, property facing beach, feel free to contact me. We have all of this property for commercial activities, for industrial activities, for residential purpose. Contact Ishaba Realtors TV. Our inspection is usually free. We'll take you down here for inspection. My number is 081 077 386 81. We have property facing the road. Just in case you are looking for property that is facing Lekki Epe Expressway, we have property that is facing Lekki Epe Expressway, just in case that is what you are looking for. So smart investor, do well to subscribe, and I hope to hear from you again. See you again in my next video, because I'm ending this video here now. Thank you. Love you guys. Merry Christmas.